Good morning students. Today we are going to see chapter 1 unitary method. We are going to see that today's chapter is unitary method. Before enter into this, I think you all know about the meaning of the term unit. Yes, unit means single. Unit means one. A single object is known as unit. See, here I am having only one scale. This is unit only because it is one only. So it is a scale, no? It has a unit place values. See, the difference between 0 to 1 is 1. And here 1 to 2. What is the difference between 2 minus 1 is 1. So the difference between all these values on number line is also is 1. So if any representation is 1, then that is known as unit. Unit means 1. Unit means 1. Okay. So here we are going to see about unitary method. So let us see the definition of unitary method. First, what is meant by unit, and then we are going to see about the unitary method. See, unit is a single object. I told you no. So I am carrying only one scale. If I am carrying another scale along with this, then that is called as unit? No, that is not a unit. If an object is a single object, then we call it as unit. So see here, unit is a single object. What is the unit? Unit is a single object. The word unitary derived from the word unit. The word unitary, no. It is derived from the word unit only. It is derived from the word unit. The unitary method is a method of using the value of many units. The unitary method, this is one of the method. By using many values, we can use many values for this unit. We can find this. This method is also used to find the value of one unit given the value of many units. This method is also used to find the value of one unit given for many units. See, many units values are given, no? We are also able to find the value of many units by using this value of single unit. We can able to find the value of many units. By solving some problems, we can easily able to understand the unitary method. Clear, children? See, once again I am explaining you unitary method. Before enter into the method unitary, we want to familiar with the term, the word unit. See here, unit is a single object. Unit means it is a single object is known as unit. So unit is a single object. The word unitary, this particular word unitary is derived from the word unit. Is derived from the word unit. The unitary method is a method. Next, they are come into the unitary method. This is the introduction part of unitary method. So, the unitary method is a method of using the value of many units. By using the value of many units, we can use this method. Unitary method is used to find, this method is used to find the value of many units. Next, this method is also used to find value of one unit. We can also able to find one unit with many values of many units. Clear? Okay, students. Next, see here, unit rate or unit place. Unit rate or unit place means the cost of one article is known as unit rate or unit place. Cost of one object, the cost of one article or one object is known as unit rate or unit place. Let us see one example. See the example in page number 10. They are given the cost of one chair is rupees 450. The cost of one chair is rupees 450. Find the cost of 6 such chairs. They are asked us to find the cost of 6 chairs, but they are given the cost of one chair. They are given. So already in unitary method, we saw no what does unitary methods is used. It is used in two places. If value of one, it is also used in place of one object is given, that is one unit is given, we can find the value of many units. That place also the unitary method used. If the values of many units we know, we are able to find the value of one unit. These two methods are used. This only the unitary method says. So here the cost of one chair, that is one unit is given, and we want to find the cost of many units. See here, the cost of one chair, what they are given, this is our solution. The cost of one chair is rupees 450. Rupees 450. Next, what they asked? Cost of 6 such chairs. So we want to find the cost of 6 chairs. In this case, we want to multiply these two values. We want to multiply these two values. What values we want to multiply? 450 into 6. We want to multiply the cost of one chair with how many number of items they are asked. They are asked for 6 chairs, no? So we want to multiply the one amount, the cost of one chair into the how many chairs we need. That amount we want to multiply. See, 450 is cost of, that is the price of one chair, and we want to know about the cost of 6 chairs. So we want to multiply the 450 with this 6. What we will get? 450 into 6, 0, 5 6 are 30, balance 3, 6 4 are 20. So 2700. So cost of 6 chairs is equal to rupees 2700. Clear, children? Once again I am explaining you. The unitary method is used in two different types. Listen, one type is this. That is, if the cost of one thing, that is one object is given, and to find the value of many units, then in that case we want to multiply that terms. This is one kind of method. The another method of unitary method is we are able to find many units. The value of many units is given. We are able to find the value of one unit. In this problem, this example problem, they are given the cost of one chair is rupees 450. The cost of one chair, that is one unit, is given, and we want to find the cost of 6 chair. That means we want to find the cost of 6 units we want to find. So one is a single. By giving the single, we want to find the value for many units. No, in that case we want to use the mathematical operation multiplication is used here. One object, again I am explaining you, listen here. If one object value is given, and to find the many unit value, then we want to multiply the terms, multiply the cost with the numbers. Clear? So in this case, the cost of one chair is rupees 450. The cost of one chair is rupees 450, and we want to find the cost of 6 such chair we want to find. The cost of 6 chairs, what I am doing here, what I have done here, see here, 450 into this, 6 only we need, no? So 450 into 6, that will, by doing the multiplication of this, we will get the value 2700. This is the representation of rupees. Now they are changed, no? Before and all we will put for rupees, RS will put, but now they changed this symbol for rupees in India. So rupees 2700. So the cost of 6 chair is rupees 2700. Clear, children? In example, page number 11, they are given the cost of 8 books is rupees 400, and we want to find the cost of one book. We want to find the cost of one book, they are asked. We want to compare this sum with the before sum. Last sum we saw they are given the unit value, that is the cost of one chair they are given, and asked us to find 6 chair, the cost of 6 chairs. But in this sum they are given 8 books cost is 400, and we want to find the value cost of a single book. For this, see how I am solving the sum. The cost of 8 books. The cost of 8 books is given as rupees 400. The cost of 8 books is rupees 400, and I want to find the cost of one book. So the cost of one book, what I want to do? Yes, I want to divide it. Divide this cost divided by the amount of the book, divided by 8. So what I will get? 1 8s are 8, 5 8s are 40, balance 0 8s are 0. So 50. The cost of one book is equal to rupees 50. The cost of one book is 50. Listen here. The cost of 8 books is 400. They are given the value of many units. 8 is many units. Only what is mean by unit? Single object is unit, no. But here it is 8 counter. 8 is a unit? No. 8 is not an unit. So here they are given the cost of many units and we want to find the cost of one book. One means unit, no, single. Yes, we want to find the cost of one single book. So solution, see here, the cost of 8 books is 400. They are given. They are asked us to find the cost of one book. So the cost of one book, how I will write? Write the total cost divided by the total amount of number. How many books are here? 8 books. So I want to divide that. In before last sum, they are given unit value. Unit value is the cost of one chair they are given and need to find the cost of 6 chair. So we want to multiply that two number. But in this case, they are given the value for many things. That is many of books. See, many units. 8 no. So that is many units price is given and we want to find the single unit value. So we want to divide it. So 400 divided by 8 gives us 50. So the cost of one book is rupees 50. Clear children? Exercise 1.1. What they are given asking? The cost of 12 notebooks is 480. So find the cost of 8 such books. This question is somewhat different when compared to last two sums. But this is not the direct question. We want to use one method and then we want to find. That's all. But this is also a easy sum only. Listen here how I am solving this. First line you read. The cost of 12 notebooks is 480. They are given the cost of, see in solution, cost of 12 notebooks. The cost of 12 notebooks is rupees 480. Yes, rupees 480. We already know, no? If only single unit is given and want to find many units, we want to multiply. If many units are given and we want to find the single unit, we want to divide, no? So see here this is not a unit because this is 12 notebooks, the price of 12 notebooks. So 12 is not a unit. So many units are given. So how we will find the single unit? So cost of one book I need, no? So cost of one book, one notebook. How I will get the cost of one notebook? By dividing 480 divided by the units. Many units. How many units are here? 12 units are here. By dividing this, I will get the cost of one notebook. See here, 1 12s are 12, 4 12s are 48 and 0 12s are 0. So 40 into 12 I will get 480. So cost of one notebook is rupees 40. Cost of one notebook is rupees 40. Next, what they are asked is find the cost of 8 such books. They are asked for us to find the cost of 8 notebooks they are asking. So one notebook cost is I know, that is unit value I know. Now I want to find the many unit value. So what we want to do? Unit value is given and we want to find the many unit value. We want to multiply these two numbers. So cost of one notebook we know. So next, cost of 8 notebooks is equal to 40 into 8. That is 320. So therefore, in question what they are asking? Cost of 8 notebooks, no. So cost of 8 books is equal to rupees 320. That is 320. Clear children? How I solved this sum? See here, the cost of 12 notebooks is rupees 480. They are given. Next, we want to find the cost of 8 such books. We want to find the cost of 8 such books. Before finding the 8 such books, we want to know the cost of, if we know the cost of single book, we can easily find the cost of 8 books. First, for that, we want to find the rate of, that is the cost of a single book. Here, the cost of 12 notebooks, that is many units is given. To find the single unit, we want to divide the cost by this many unit. So 480 divided by 12 gives us the value for one notebook. Clear? So the cost of one notebook is 40 by dividing 480 by 12. See here, 1 12s are 12, 4 12s are 48, 0 12s are 0. So 40 into 12 I will get 480. Like this only you want to cancel. Please solve these kinds of sum in a rough note and then you copy it in classwork. Then only you will be clear while doing these sums. Okay. Next see, now we find the cost of one notebook is 40. Next what they are asking? They are asking us to find the cost of 8 such books. So the cost of 8 books is, cost of one book we already know, that is unit value we know, we find here. We want to find the value of many unit. By knowing the unit value and want to find many value, what we will do? Yes, we will multiply the terms. So we want to multiply the terms. So 40 into 8 gives us 320. So the cost of 8 books is rupees 320. Clear children? In this types of questions, they are not at all given us directly. Somewhat indirect question only. Here they will give the bunch, that is the many unit value, and find the value of not the single one. Find the value of again many units they are asking. For this kinds of questions, we want to find single unit from the many unit and then we want to do the following procedure by using the unitary method. I think you all are clear in this sum. I want to know the weight of 1 kilogram of paddy. That means 1 bag of paddy we want to know. No? So see in solution what they are given. The weight of 6 bags of paddy is 450 kilogram. So the weight of 6 bags of paddy, how much is 450 kilogram. So what will be the weight of one bag? Weight of one bag of paddy. More units, many units is given and we want to find the single unit, that is a unit. What we want to do? We want to divide now. So 450 divided by 6. See here, 1 6 is 6, 7 6 are 42, balance 3, 5 6 are 30. So the answer will be 75. 7 6 are, do this division like this also, ma. You can also do like this also. See here, 7 6 are 42, balance 3. Again we want to pull down this 30. So 5 6 are 30. Like this also you can divide. So the weight of one bag weight is equal to 75 kilogram. Now what we want to find? We want to find the weight of 16 bags. Weight of 16 bag is equal to unit value is known and we want to find the value for many units. So we want to multiply these two terms, that is 75 into 16. 75 into 16. See here, 75 into 16, what we will get? 5 6 are 30, balance 3, 7 6 are 42, 43, 44, 45. So 450. Again 5 ones are 5, 7 ones are 7. So 0, 5 plus 1, 5, 10, balance 1. Here 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. So 1200. So the value is 1200 kilogram. Once again I explain you this question. Please listen. The weight of 6 bags of paddy is 450 kilogram. They are given the weight of 6 bags. That is many unit value is given. Many unit value is given. We want to find the unit value, means what we will do? We want to divide the total amount by the number of objects. No. So that only I done here. See here, the weight of 6 bags is 450. They are given. To find the value of, that is the weight of one bag, I want to divide this 450 by 6. 450 divided by 6 gives me 75. Gives me the value 75. So the cost of one bag is 75. So the weight of 16 bags only they are asked in question. They are asked in the question, find the weight of 16 bags of paddy. So the weight of 16 bags is equal to, unit value is we know and we want to find the many value. So what we will do? Yes, we will do the multiplication. 75 into 16. It gives me the value 1200 kilogram. So the weight of 16 bags of paddy is 1200 kilogram. Clear children? Thank you.